Okay, I made it into Homegoods. Right here, $600. Isn't that kind of cool looking? And then we have like this butterfly type of statue. My husband thinks it looks like mosquitoes. I wonder if they move. Do they move? This is 300. This is like the way it,
Yeah.
like the thing, it like teeters.
Yeah, the wings flap and it teeters.
Like a wind. That's actually kind of cool. That's only 300. It's not bad. I honestly was expecting that to be a little more. Okay. And then they have nothing but candy, you guys. The large chocolate bunnies. They are 15. You got just different color wrappers going on. You have chocolate coins. You have the sour gummy carrot. Everything for your candy needs in here. Look at, they're like malt balls or like malt eggs.
Oh yeah.
Whoppers, there we go. Haven't had Whoppers in like forever. $5.99. That is like really cute packaging, right? Those are really, really cute. Look at this guy in his Tootsie Roll. It's kind of cute. It's a weighted plush. He's 20. Little weighted guy. The Farmhouse by Rachel. This one's 15. Oh, they're on a log. That's kind of cute. Reminds me of a classroom. 15. There's Piglet in the back with the egg. That's $12.99. $7 right here. And of course, this one does light up. All these eggs. 10. Is this just a cake? Normally there's a bunny on it. 17. Okay, that's kind of cute. Oh, cute. A fill-in book. 2 peeps are better than 1. Let me find. If our friendship was a pop song, it would be, and then you just write it in. That's kind of funny. Look at this guy. On his little canoe. Funny. He took, I know, it got like a beet in there, some carrots. $70 in the back. How much is this guy right here? I can't see. This blue one?
It's for 40. Yeah.
40 and 70. $40 for that. Not bad. More chocolate. Look, it looks like someone took off the foil. You see that?
Oh yeah. That was neat.
Yeah.
Wouldn't it be funny if these were actually under these
and
you could peel them like that? That's not. It's not good.
It would be cool. What if somebody did take it off? Yeah. And these are 8. Oh my gosh. The gnome. He is risen. No, look, they have a pink one. The pink one's $29.99. And you know what? It doesn't feel like I haven't seen these in a Walmart yet. I need to check Walmart. I haven't been back in a while. $29.99. Welcome. More weighted guys. Those are so funny. These are 17. Okay. Just kind of go along here where it's not so busy. This is just garden stuff. This is solar. $39.99. Not like little lanterns. Here we go. They have a wooden handle on top. Oh my goodness, you guys. I got a function today. I'm not functioning. This is 20. 20 right here. And the pelican hat. Yeah, these were expensive in, was it Home Depot or Lowe's? Because they had a pig one and it was like 50. I'm like, dude, I could come here. It was 25. $29.99. $29.99, 35, yeah. Here, I love the terracotta ones. 35 here. These are my favorite. Those are my favorite. The dogs. Okay, look at all this stuff. Just gonna do some scanning. A snail. The mushroom. Look at these frogs. Those are so cute. Oh, does it come together? It does. Okay. It's a whole set. They are $29.99. Oh, and they have these homes with the moss. Let me pan in. I could turn on the light. The moss homes. Their price. I don't want to lift it up. 25 right here. But these are cute. They have the turtles. You know, these put the pot. Oh, you put the pot on. Scoot back. There's that tortoise guy. They're cute, and plenty of bird homes. But look, I like how it has like the little peace sign right here. It's like peace all over it. These are cute. These are $20. They have a heart on. Wouldn't it be funny if the door opens? And there's just multiple to choose from. Oh, look at, he's hiking. I didn't see this guy.
Oh, he's neat.
With his little camera. He's cool. Look at that pig with his googly eyes.
This would be a cool one if it had the little light in the camera.
Like a solar.
Yeah.
And that flamingo one's actually really cool.
Yeah, they're all over. This one's broken. It's just all
These are
plastic.
20.
That's a dragonfly too.
Yeah.
Do you want both of them?
No, she's gonna leave the other one.
17. He's pretty heavy. Uh-oh.
Somebody's buying the teeter,
This, oh, well, there's two of them. This is like really cool. I want it.
These look like butterflies. I think the other ones are supposed to be dragonflies. I don't know.
Oh,
That's what he said. One was dragonflies.
this looks like, I don't know. The one in the beginning, it looked like butterflies to me. I don't know.
They're different colors.
I mean, I still think this is like really cool. No, I don't
Oh,
know.
this one's just tied in place.
It is cool though. I like that. These are, oh, I love them. I have some really nice garden stuff today. Well, today they are crowded. 120, I mean filled in. Here's a little fish solar one. These are cute. Look at this one.
Those fiber optic.
Yeah, 25. Oops. Look at the mushroom, the lion. Dragon and fairies. And the bee. The bee one is very interesting. And that's 25. And they have a little the child in the back.
Yeah, that just looks like a wasp. It's weird.
Kind of. And this pig guy is $29.99. These are solid heavy. Well, not this one, but like the pig, and there was like a frog one. And you get assorted chocolates in here. Don't we love that tin? That's $10. Got some pottery. At home on the water. This is 25 here. I know they have to make a setup, and they're like actually like really cool. But if you're buying and want to pick up something, it does get difficult, you know. It's 25 back here. Like I can't tell you each price, but pretty cool. This whole table set $700. Let me walk. Look at this one. See, they got like all this set up.
Oh yeah.
Pillows, 15. $10. These are glass. A lot of glass. Look at this frame. 17. Let me pan in. I like this frame too. It's like a marbled frame. Are these marbled? I can't pick them up. They'll just topple. Terracotta egg. Yeah, I think those are marbles. Those are 17. But everything right here is glass. These are really nice pillows too with the ruffles. $29.99. Let me walk this way. Look at this. 40. Interesting. I can't pick it up. It's heavy. You think I could get that?
Which one?
This.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
40 bucks. Oh, it's just like an iron.
Oh.
Oh, it's iron or what it is?
Yeah, that's heavy. These are $29.99. Turn on that. 20. Are those peacocks or I can't tell?
They look like peacocks, yeah.
And they have like different designs on them. Oh, let's put that back. Pillows and trays. That's actually kind of cool looking. And that frame's 10. I don't know. But then we have like this one in the back here is like 25. I'm not moving. 29. And they have that banana. It's still kind of funny. This one is 17. And let me put some of this glassware. $4 here. It's kind of cool. They really are decorating. They stack them. And I'd be so afraid that they're gonna fall. Look at that guy. That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
Okay, here's this one. Oh, I don't see a price on it. This is pretty neat. $25.25. And we have like that blue velvet one. They have a red one in a different location. This stool is $49.99. That's $49.99 as well. Okay. There is some cool stuff. Oh no. Do you see a price on these? Nope. Here, come grab that. I didn't see one. Man, I picked it up for nothing. That's 15. Let's see. These glass tables. The butterfly flowers by design. These are the seat cushions. These have the bow on them. Not too sure how much these are. Maybe they're like 20. They are 20, I'm right. And they have strawberry and a watermelon, like outdoor pillows. Oh, let's see a price. No. Let me see one over here. I don't want to pull them out. I don't see a price on them. It's quite a bit. That's fine. Don't pull them out because then they all fall out. I don't want to do that. Okay, we have sand and fog. Vanilla. Look at the strawberry one. This is a really pretty box. Candle box. Pray. Can we smell this one?
Yeah, those cushions were 20.
20 for like the watermelon
Yeah.
strawberry. Ugh, smells like vanilla. It is vanilla, but I was thinking it would smell more tropical.
It's Tahitian.
No, I didn't like it.
From Tahiti.
There's some nice frames though.
That's where they kept trying to get red to Tahiti.
Look at the doggies. That's funny. Oh my gosh, he has a carrot in his mouth. It's funny. Rachel Zoe. This is $12.99. The cognac. This is $20. And yeah, you can always find like amazing glassware here. Plenty of shots too if you're into that. Like these are $5. Okay, this is a cup. I have no clue. Is this a cup, babe?
Yeah, it looks like it.
What does it say on the tag?
Okay.
It's 25. Can you use it as one?
I don't know.
Did it say food safe or anything?
It's olive wood.
Maybe just for decor. I don't know. Okay, the blue plates are here in that tray. I'm not going to pull anything out. They're really going around and organizing them so nicely. So I'm afraid to like pull stuff. This one's new. That is $12.99. I don't know if they have somebody coming in and check on their displays, but like every aisle is displayed. They're $3.99. They also have a salt and pepper shaker, 1 to match, and the black. These are $2.99. Yeah, $2.99. And the butter. It's a pretty blue, right? We have that one and then this one on top. Here's like this 2-tiered. I don't see a price for it. It's 2-tiered.
Sure. 30. Oh no. 50.
50. This is 50. We pan out. This 2-tiered is 50. Well,
And-
it's glass.
And these are 2 different pieces. So this is one.
17.
So you only get 2 pillars. So it's
Wait, is it? They're separate. They don't come
Yeah.
together.
right. So each one has
17.
2 pillars.
So they're 50. Oh, look at that too.
I thought it was like
Yeah, that was one big piece.
yeah.
And these are like my favorite. The dimpling. It's a nice one. This is 20. It's a nice vase too for your flowers. And they're only 20. Alright, you guys. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. In this HomeGood location. Please stay safe. And I will see all of you in the next one. These are so lovely. Here's some more homes. So looks like this one's 40. So maybe the moss one is $40. Look at that doggy. It's cute. It's a lot of floral. We've seen a lot. We've seen plenty.